Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Maytag Dishwasher E1 F9 error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having issues with your Maytag dishwasher here and you're getting that E1 F9 error code, well usually it means that the dishwasher or machine here is taking too long to drain some water from it. So there are some common causes why this is happening. So first is you may have used excess detergent here. Now in this case, using too much of the wrong detergent creates too many suds, blocking the drainage system. And also you may have a faulty drain pump here. So the drain pump located at the front panel here might be blocked or damaged. Now in this case, preventing water from draining properly. And finally, you may have a blocked drain hose. Now, food particles or debris can clog the drain hose here. So in this case, slowing or stopping water drainage. Now, how do you fix this? Now, for a this case excess detergent issue here, what you need to do is just stop the wash cycle here and remove the dishes. Add a liquid bleach cleaner and run a wash cycle and run a rinse and spin cycle to clear out excess detergent. Now wipe the detergent dispenser and the inside of the washer with a damp cloth here. So next is if you have a drain pump, or in this case a blocked drain pump here, what you need to do is you want to check the pump first at the front panel near the filter here for any damage or blockages. Now look for burnt, broken or loose wires, replace any damaged wires, and use a multimeter to check if the pump is faulty. If so, you may need to replace it. And next is if you have a block drain hose. So you want to turn off the water power here, disconnect the drain hose from the port, use a wet or dry vacuum to remove any blockages, seal the ends with tape, and run the vacuum for about 5 minutes. Now, clean the hose with a mix of vinegar and warm water and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then flush with hot water. Now wipe the connection port and reconnect the hose back into your dishwasher. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.